Muthenya wa ira munene wa ruhonge rwa DCI Amin Mohamed nirahithuririe andu 885 ni gukinyaniria ne riu maikitio ngono magikuruhanio na ngaheha iria ciyumiririe hindi ya mirurungano ya Gen Z kiumia kihituku. Riu mutongoria wa kiama gia DCP RIGATHI Gachagua agikinyiriria kwina njama ya guthutukania andu kuma gicigo-ini kia Mount Kenya.
You sent hooligans to Rukarau so that they can go and ban government installations, government vehicles. You can arrest me. You can even get accusations of whatever nature and put them on me. In fact, if you want to jail me even today, I don't mind. But if you jail me today, these people who are seated here will still take you home. It does not matter whether you arrest me.
Ruto does not mean well for us. Onacio maratwira ithuĩ tũtingiuma thirikari-inĩ ithuĩ tũgũikara thirikari-inĩ no amerie twoimire tũtioimire no kũmĩkararia twamĩkararirie akare ithuĩ twekĩrire.
All our lawyers in our 11 counties and any other county where our communities are, very quickly mujipange into groups, because William Ruto has planned persecution against our boys and our children. Mawakili wa jamii yetu vile Wanyandarua wamefanya.
Gachagua na athiriti yake mari igongona-ini ria mathiko ma MCA wa GUTHUKIO BETH WAITHO Njoroge mokirire President William Ruto ni gwikia ngono imwana kuma gicigo kia Mount Kenya matari mahitia mekite handu ha kuhuthira mbica cia CCTV kunyitukia aria maronekana mbica-ini icio.
Thibitari gutirathondekanwo tukire turigikara hau turiage obosho. Is it possible? We can't.
Na hizo CCTV zinaonyesha wale wahuni na goons ambao walikuwa pale ambao sisi hatuwajui.
If the police want to charge the people who looted property, the images are there. Instead, wanatafuta vijana wetu wa hapa, wa Kikuyu, wa Meru, wa Embu, wahangaishwe. Mimi nasema namna hii. This community is under siege.
Thutha wa mirurungano ino, Minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Kipchumba Murkomen augire nyanake iria ciathukangirie indo kaunti-ini ya Nairobi ciarehetwo kuma Murang'a, Nyeri na Kirinyaga. Riu Gachagua akienda Murkomen ataririe uria makinyanirie ripoti ino.
Huyu Murkomen alisema ati watu wale walikuja kuchoma Nairobi walitoka Murang'a, walitoka Kirinyaga ani Nyeri. Kwani watu wetu wako na alama kwa uso ati akiwaona najua ni watu ya Nyandarua, ati ni watu ya Murang'a? Why haven't you recorded a statement from Murkomen to explain how did he know that these people are from Murang'a, from Kirinyaga and from Nyeri?
Mieri-ini yake munene wa DCI Amin Mohamed ni arahutiririe mwena wa mung'ethaniro gukuruhana mirurungano-ini ya kiumia kihituku no na gukiri uguo ndanagweta ritwa ria Gachagua ndeto-ini ino.